Welcome to your WordPress class. This is Roy Salisbury, your instructor. You are in for a fun and exciting time of learning. First thing we want to do is let's set up your website by going to our ARC Power Server website, which is power.arc.losrios.edu. In our class, Introduction to Web Creation, I will click on Deborah Martinez as an example of how to do this. Next, click on our class, CISC 306, add on the word WordPress. On the screen is the complete web address for Deborah. Yours would be the same, except it would be your name instead of Deborah. Next is the welcome screen, where you will sign into WordPress, site, title, username, etc. Now on your screen, you see the handout that you can download and read ahead of time if you wish to make it easier for you to understand. You will decide your own info to put on the following. My site will be Salisbury's ARC website. Username for me is rsmar20, and then I will put in a password. If it says your password is too weak, just check confirm. Put in your email and then check the box Discourage Search. The info you just put in, copy the information on something you will not lose. This is your own private info. I have no access to the dashboard on your website. If you cannot log into your website because you lost your username, email, you will have to start over again. Believe me, you do not want to do everything over again. Click on Install WordPress. Success is the next screen you will see. Log in. Put in username, password, click Log in. You can also click Remember Me if you are on your own computer. If you lose just your password, you can redo that. But I had one student who lost her email. It's a long story. By the way, I have switched from Deborah's website to my own. Thank you, Deborah. Your website is still ready for you to set up. So here we are inside of WordPress on the dashboard, sometimes referred to as the back end of the website. This is known as the dashboard, as it clearly states up here. Next, I will show you a shortcut. Hold down the Control key on Windows or Command on the Mac and click on your site name that you created. A new tab will pop up. This pop-up is your home screen. This home screen is called Theme 2020. This is the latest theme available, which we will modify shortly. The two tabs I just showed you will allow you to switch back and forth from dashboard to your home screen easily as shown. It will be a nice time saver as we move along. There are many other parts of the dashboard I will get into as our 8-week class progresses. Periodically, you will see updates shown as a red numbered circle. Do not click on these unless I tell you to. By the way, let me point out something to you quickly because this will come up. You will make changes on the dashboard, and then you will click on the tab, and the changes on the website will not show up. After any changes in the dashboard, you will need to refresh your website in order to see the changes. Now, if you don't do that, you'll be very frustrated, so be sure and remember that little rule. I will demonstrate this to you next week. Congratulations on finishing your first website. We will start modifying and changing the website next week. Have a good week.